Okay, today we're going to construct an angle bisector. So we're going to bisect this angle. That means we're going to split it in half. So we're going to use a segment tool. That segment tool is going to set our radius for our construction. So I'm going to start it at the vertex, and I can go anywhere along the side that I want. So I'm going to choose that segment. Then I'm going to click More Tools. I'm going to click the compass, and I'm going to click the segment I created, and I get a circle, and I'm going to put that circle right at the vertex. Okay. Then I'm going to use the point tool, and I'm going to mark the point where my circle and my angle intersect, and you see they get a little more bolder. That got a little darker, that got a little darker, so that's where I'm going to drop my point. Then I'm going to click More Tools. I'm going to click the compass, and I'm going to click my segment again, but this time I'm going to move it to the center of the intersection at the end point of my segment, so that would be here. Then I'm going to click More Tools and Compass again, and I'm going to click my segment again, and now I'm going to move my center to the other side of the angle at the point of intersection between the circle and my angle. I'm going to drop it there. And then I'm going to use my line tool. And you can see it touches the vertex, so my first point is going to be at the vertex. And then I'm going to do the intersection of these two circles here. So where both of them turn a little darker green, there's my angle bisector. So this line right here is splitting my angle in half. Okay, now it's your turn to practice.